What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make some cable sleeves here in Blender. It's very easy. So I use this a lot on various cables and ropes and things. Basically what you want to do, first of all, you're going to have your curve, right? You have your curve. There's actually no need to apply the curve into a mesh. A lot of people do this. It's a wasted step and it's destructive. No need to do it. What you need to do is duplicate your curve, right? So you're going to duplicate it. On both curves, I have a subsurf set to 1 just to make it a bit denser. And on the duplicate cable, we're going to go ahead and apply the subsurf if you, have a subsurf. Now, it's not going to let you, and that's because you actually need to convert this into mesh data. So on the duplicate one, we now have mesh data here. Very cool, and we can even preview this in wireframe mode. Pretty cool as well. Now, check this out. This is a pretty cool trick. If you go up here to the decimate modifier, go to unsubdivide and turn this to 1, it's actually going to curve the geometry here and make like a nice netting effect that we can use as a sleeve. So essentially you just apply that decimate. You don't really need to go to 3. You could if you want to make it lower resolution. Every odd number would be fine, but no need. We'll just go to 1, apply that decimate, and we're going to go ahead and turn off wireframe here just so we don't have to see it. And now if we just go into face mode, press I to inset, you might have to press the I key twice. It's going to inset these individual faces, which we can then delete the faces off, and now we have a sleeve. So it's pretty cool, but you're going to see it's not quite covering it, and that's because what we need to do now is run a solidify modifier. So basically you just add a solidify modifier here, and we're going to go in the opposite direction. You're going to see we have some pretty nasty shading here. Now, you could turn on your auto smooth and do that, and that'll probably fix it. If you want to run a bevel though, most likely the bevel is going to kind of collapse it, and overall your scene is just going to be really heavy. Sleeves, I would not even bother running a bevel modifier on. You can just use a bevel shader instead. But this is a nice and easy way to add sleeves on your cables. You don't have to do anything complex, and the nice thing about it is it's completely non-destructive. We still have the original cable, which still allows us to adjust the curve data in here, adjust the resolution and whatnot. So that's how you do it. Hope it was easy enough, and I'll see you in the next video.